Hello, Dr. Hauser and NTR 561 classmates. My name is Erika Evarts and I live in Kohler, Wisconsin. And here is my About Me presentation. So I am a native Vermonter. I graduated from the University of Vermont in 2014 with my bachelor's degree in dietetics, nutrition, and food science. And I'm actually in the final semester of the master's in applied nutrition program at SAGE. So I'm on track to graduate this spring, which is really exciting. And as I said, I currently reside in Kohler, Wisconsin. Just a lifestyle change for me, checking out a new state. So loving it so far. I put up a few pictures here of me and my hobbies, riding horses, mountain biking. This is my dog Telly. And I also love to travel. My partner and I actually lived in an Airstream for a little while, and so the picture on the bottom left is of us touring through Monument Valley in Utah. So a lot of fun. So my program and past work experience, my first sort of grown-up job out of college, my undergrad, was for the state of Vermont's WIC program. And it was a fabulous position. I absolutely loved working for WIC. And during the time that I was there, we developed a pictorial food guide. So originally they had just listed the options that you could get. And in Burlington, Vermont, where I was working, we have a really high refugee population. Almost 50% of our participants don't speak English. So it was really hard for them to decide or understand what was WIC eligible. So I personally actually surveyed quite a lot of participants. I can't remember the name or the number off the top of my head. But I personally surveyed them with a translator, helping to figure out what was easier for them to understand, what tools they were missing to be successful in getting their WIC eligible foods. And here's a page out of the program that we developed. So it was a really, really fun project. I definitely enjoyed that, and I'm looking forward to learning more about programs and interventions in this class. So my current position, I shifted out of nutrition, and I'm actually a healthcare recruiter. I work for the Source and Recruit company, and you may be wondering why I'm not currently working in nutrition. And I actually had moved out of state and was looking for a new nutrition job, actually in WIC, and unfortunately they didn't have any positions available for me, and I kept looking and I wasn't finding anything that was really inspiring me. And I was offered this opportunity to become a healthcare recruiter with a Source and Recruit company, and I love to learn new things, and it seemed really interesting. I felt like I could still apply a lot of what I'd learned in my degree and in my internships, and I can actually communicate a lot better with healthcare professionals knowing what it's like to work in that setting than a lot of other HR professionals can. So it's working out really well for me. I have a really fantastic quality of life, and I'm really happy, and I have a lot of freedom to travel, which is really fun too. So I do see myself getting back into nutrition at some point, maybe part-time, in addition to my current position, because I am very happy at it. But I still do love nutrition. I'm taking a little break right now. So what am I hoping to get out of this course? I want to become a champion for change and build my confidence and knowledge around the stages of intervention. Right now, of course, I don't have that to be able to jump in and try and make change, so I feel like this will really enhance my toolkit for that. And I also really want to become more comfortable with research. Right now when I'm reading through research, I don't feel confident. It's as simple as that. I find it interesting, but I don't know as though I'm fantastic at understanding it or finding all of the research or knowing how to apply it and actually make change as a result, or come up with an idea for a new study that's not already existing. So all of those things, I suppose, building my confidence and knowledge is really just what I'm looking to get out of this course. So that's it about me. Like I said, I look forward to starting this course with you all, and yeah, good luck, everybody.